Hello everybody. Today I'll be talking about Streem from SMK Helmets. Its ergonomic design makes it convenient to maintain by our users. It is very easy to do replacement with any SMK helmet. Let's find out how. Push the visor to open position and pull out the visor from the visor mechanism one by one. To replace the visor, align the visor legs with the slot in the visor mechanism and push it in place. Repeat for the other side. To remove the neck roll, unzip the zip and gently pull out the neck roll. To replace the neck roll, simply align the zip from the neck roll with the zip lock and zip it back in. Remove the two snaps of the cheek pad from the chin strap and pull out the cheek pad. To replace, insert the plastic sheet in between the impact absorption liner and the shell. Then align the snaps of the cheek pad and chin strap and snap it in to close. First, hold the liner on the back of the helmet and pull, and the Velcro will come out. Then pull on the liner below the cheek pads and the plastic sheet will come out. Then hold the bandana from one side near the lock and pull. The bandana will be free. Repeat for the other two locks. First, align the bandana in front of the helmet and insert the lock in its place. Repeat for the other two locks. Then insert the plastic sheet in the slot between the impact absorption liner and the shell below the cheek pads and push it into position. Now align the Velcro on the liner and shell and gently press to lock the liner on the shell. See how easy the entire replacement process was. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.